Today on Countdown, we look at the world's largest cities. Jakarta, Indonesia, has a population of 14.25 million people. Jakarta was once a major port used by the Dutch East India Company and gained its independence in 1945. New Delhi, India, has a population of 14.3 million people and is one of the greenest cities in the world. Its comprehensive bus system runs on compressed natural gas, which is a lot kinder to the environment than regular gas. Mumbai, India, has a population of 14.35 million people. By the year 2020, Mumbai is estimated to have the world's largest city population. Manila in the Philippines has a population of over 14.75 million people. There are underground tunnels that span the entire city that date back to pre-World War II. Osaka, Japan is home to 16.425 million people. The city Osaka means big hill, even though the city lies on extremely flat land. Mexico City has a population of 17.4 million people. 10 years ago, Mexico City's air quality was considered a public risk 355 out of the 365 days of the year. Seoul, South Korea has a population of 17.5 million people and is home to a multitude of many modern tech companies such as Samsung, LG, Hyundai, and Kia. Sao Paulo, Brazil has a population of 17.7 million people. The busy roads of this coastal city have more cars than Rio de Janeiro has people. The New York City metropolitan area has a population of 17.8 million people, making it the largest city in the United States and the second largest city in the world. A hot dog stand permit in the world-famous Central Park can cost up to $290,000 a year. Tokyo, Japan has a population of 33.2 million people, making it the largest metropolitan area in the world. Its subway system is so crowded that there are people known as train stuffers whose job is to push people onto the trains. Barely half of the world's population lives in cities, but that doesn't mean there aren't any impressive ones out there. Out of the thousands of cities on this earth, those were your top 10.